Welcome to the Klarmans How-To series. In this video, I will be showing you how to view and use your profit and loss statement in your Klarmans Dashboard. Your profit and loss statement or income statement gives you a clear picture of what your operations look like over a certain period of time. It collects all your income, direct costs, and overheads and displays them in a clear manner. To access your profit and loss statement, click on the Profit and Loss icon found on your dashboard. Start by specifying the date range. For example, if you would like to see the statement for the last month, enter the start and end date of the month. If you would like to see the statement for your entire accounting year, enter the start and end date of the year. You can check your accounting year by simply going to Setup, Company Setup. You can select a comparator to the profit and loss statement. This could be the income statement from the last year, the accumulated amounts, or the budgeted profit and loss statement. If you like, you can also see a graph of the profit and loss statement by choosing one of the following graph types. Finally, select the file type of the profit and loss statement. If you would like to keep a separate record of the statement, for example for a closed year or quarter, you can select the PDF output. This will open the statement as a PDF file, which you can save locally on your computer. If you would like to further analyze the profit and loss statement in Excel, you can open the statement as an Excel file. And for a quick view, you can select the screen option to view the statement directly on the screen. The profit and loss statement is separated into two main parts. Income. This shows all the different sources of income of your business. Costs. This shows all the different types of costs your business has incurred. The costs are further categorized into three groups. General and administrative costs. These are your day-to-day operational costs like rent, utilities, rates, stationery, and traveling costs. Direct costs. These are the costs of your stock and inventory. Such costs usually apply to retailers or restaurateurs. Payroll costs. These costs relate to staff and directors' wages, national insurance and pension payments, staff recruitment, and other HR-related expenses. At the bottom of the statement, you will see the profit or calculated return of the statement. If a profit, the figure would be in black. If a loss, it will be in red. Regularly reviewing your profit and loss statement on your dashboard is highly recommended, ideally at least once a month following the end of each month. There are a number of useful profit and loss ratios you could use to assess the performance of your business. First, download the statement as an Excel file. Let's start by calculating the gross profit margin. This will tell us how much of every pound sold by your business is left after paying for the item that is sold. That is, how profitable are the products. This ratio mostly applies to businesses that sell inventory, i.e. retailers, restaurateurs, etc. First, let's start by calculating the gross profit. Take the total sales and minus that from the total direct costs or cost of sales. Now divide this gross profit by the total sales. Then express the answer as a percentage. In this example, it shows that for every £100 of stock we sell, the business is keeping £70 as its profit. The higher the gross profit margin, the more profitable are the products. We can also calculate the net profit margin. The net profit margin will show how much of every pound sold your business keeps as its earnings or net profit. This is more relevant to service providers such as designers, consultants, architects, etc. To calculate the profit margin, let's start by taking the net profit or calculated return figure. and divide this figure by your total sales revenue figure. then express the answer as a percentage. In this example, since the profit margin is negative, the business is losing £2.61 for every £100 of products sold. The higher the net profit margin, the better the business is managed overall. Use these ratios each month to check if your business is still healthy and operating efficiently. Thank you for watching. Be sure to view the other tutorials in the Klarmans How-To series.